Hey guys, and welcome back to Social with Shawna. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I get my cover art to fit perfectly within the YouTube settings. So I'm going to take you over to Canva and share with you exactly how I create my YouTube banner and share with you a resource for a free template that you can download to help you with the process. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is download the template. The link will be in the description box down below. We're just going to want to go ahead and download this template and save it to your computer so that we can upload it into Canva. Then you're going to head on over to Canva. Now you are going to want to type in YouTube channel art and click on a blank one. Now you are going to want to go to upload. You are going to want to upload the template that we just downloaded into Canva, which you can see it is uploading here. Once it is uploaded, you're going to just want to take it, and actually I like to put an element in and then do that. So now this is showing you the basically how you need to do it, what area. So the whole thing is what will show up on a TV. This long part here, this like little bit darker gray, is what shows up on a desktop max. And then right here and right here, this whole area is what shows up on a tablet. And then this area right here is the area that you want to keep it under, because this is what shows up on mobile and on desktop minimum. So now what I like to do is do my background. So you can pick a background, whatever kind of background you want. It's going to be hard to see it right now because you do have this on top of it, but just whatever background you want to do. And then you can go ahead and add in any text that you want. So I would definitely suggest, of course, your channel name get added in. So let's do it Social with Shawna. And you want to put that in the area that's safe for desktop and mobile. And then I also always suggest putting a little bit about your channel on here as well. So for me, social media growth tips every Monday. It's just a little tidbit about me. And then you can put, if you have like a picture that you want to put in here. I think on my one that I have currently, I do have a picture of myself. There it is. You can put that however you want it, adjust the size, but make sure again that whatever you want to be seen is fitting inside the desktop and mobile area. Now, once you are done with everything and it's the way you think you're going to want it, you are going to go ahead and delete the template, and then you will see the text and everything with the background, and you can adjust the font and everything at that point, but you don't want to move anything around because you want it to still be able to fit. Then you will just download this and upload it into YouTube. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do that. So download it. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now we're going to go over here. So then you'll click on the little picture icon in the top corner, and this screen will appear, and then you just drag your picture or you upload it, whichever way, into the section, and then it'll give you previews. And you can adjust the crop, so you can kind of mess with it and make sure it's exactly where you want it. And then you select, you save it. It is saving currently, and then it should, there we go, pop up. And then you have your new banner that fits perfectly. See, we are in desktop here, so it fits. And I will pop a little screenshot on the side as well to show you what it shows like up as on mobile, so that you can see that it fits even on mobile. I do suggest that you always check and make sure it's also working on mobile, because that is how most of your viewers are going to be viewing your channel, is through mobile. I also always suggest you make sure your links are set up for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, whatever social media accounts you have, on your YouTube banner. In order to do that, you are going to want to go to your About page on your YouTube channel. And then at the bottom where it says links, you can add your links for your different social media accounts. To edit this, you will just go ahead and customize channel. Now you're in the customize area and you're able to add links. You'll just edit it and add whatever links you want to add. I already have the ones I want added on here, so I'm going to leave that where it is. You can add whatever links you want in that section and it'll pop up on your banner, your YouTube banner. And I do always suggest that you do that. But that is it, you guys. That is how you get a customized YouTube banner on your channel. When you're in Canva, you can play around with all of the settings. You can do totally different backgrounds. You can create your own. You can upload a picture. You can do whatever you want to create a very customized background. You can change the fonts. You can do a whole lot of different things. They also have templates you can go off of if you want to try some of the templates for a banner. They do have those as well. I do just always suggest that you use the template that I'm going to leave linked in the description box below to make sure you are using the correct size for everything. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I am happy to answer them. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for new tips videos every Monday. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.